Well, it's finished. Took about 6 months. Had to replace both floor pan full lengths, driver's side torque box, both rear frame rails. Had to make a custom trunk, brace, and floor for the fuel cell. Fuel system, put a 1.5 inch aluminum fuel line on it. With the seat, I just took the old seats that were in it, took all the fiber off of it and cushioning, and that's what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. I welded a little back plate on it, put some of that insulating foam that you get at Home Depot for the piping, just for a little comfort. I'm definitely not a professional, but I think it's gonna work. Should stiffen up the chassis a lot. Now I did subframe connectors too, if you saw that in the video. So, still got a little work to do. Still gotta do a row cage, a couple other little things, but overall I'm pretty pleased with it.